Today I'm coming to talk about procrastination. I have about 10 tips. If time permit me, I will provide all the 10 tips that you can follow to overcome procrastination. So before I start, what is procrastination? Procrastination in general terms is action of delaying something or postponing something. That is general way of defining procrastination. Some also may define it as act of delaying something that must be done, often because it is unpleasant or boring. That is another way of putting the definition of procrastination. So, in my own view, I don't see procrastination as laziness because some people see procrastination as being lazy. The side of laziness is different from procrastination. My way of defining procrastination is avoiding stress. It's the act of avoiding stress. Yes, it's the act of avoiding stress. We all don't want stress. In general, nobody wants stress. So when you are stressed up, or when you are going to do something and you see the thing as a stressful thing, definitely your mind, or you will get the thought that, no, this thing will stress me, so let me stop doing it, or let me find another day to do it, or a better time to do that. So that is where procrastination will set in. So in my terms, I see procrastination as avoiding stress or a process of feeling comfortable. Yes, or dodging yourself from stress. Yeah, so this is how I view it. How we tackle procrastination. The first tips or the first step in dealing with procrastination is 1. Breaking tasks into smaller steps. Yes, the number one step of tackling procrastination or overcoming procrastination is by breaking tasks into smaller steps. So, how do we go about it? Procrastination often occurs when a task seems overwhelming. By breaking it into smaller, more manageable steps, it becomes less daunting and easier to get started. So when you have a task, or when you have any work you want to do, find means to break the work into smaller steps that will help you to overcome that particular work, or that will help you get the thing started or get the thing done. Yeah, so this is the number one step, breaking tasks into smaller steps. The number 2 step is set specific goals and deadlines. You set a specific goals and deadlines. Establish clear, achievable goals for each task and set deadlines. Create a sense of urgency. This can help you stay on track and prevent procrastination. I hope you heard me right. So you first set a specific goals and deadlines. You easily establish achievable goals for each task. Setting the deadlines to create a sense of urgency. This help you to stay on that particular goal, and it also help you to prevent the number 3 step you need to take is to create a to-do list. You create a list that you will follow that particular list to do that particular task. So let's see how it also goes. Write down all the tasks you need to complete and prioritize them based on their importance and deadlines. This can help you stay organized and focused on what you need to be done. So this is the number 3 step, or the 3rd step. So now let's see the 4th step. The 4th step to overcome procrastination is by eliminating distractions. Yes, eliminating distraction. Identify and remove or minimize potential distractions such as social media, TV, or noisy environment when you need to focus on a task. This helps you concentrate better and reduce the likelihood of procrastinating. So you see, when maybe you have a certain task, now social media, everybody use phone and this thing, so it has become common for all of us to work at the same time, use the phone. So to avoid procrastination, or to avoid this TV and social media stealing your time for you not to accomplish your goal, or for you not to become productive, it's better you avoid social media and television when you are working, or when you are at work, or when you have an important task to accomplish. You need to avoid social media, TV, anything that will distract your attention from that particular work. That is the number 4th steps. The number 5th step is use time management techniques. Use time management techniques. Here, using time management techniques, how do we go? Techniques which involve working for a set period of time followed by a short break can help you stay focused and minimize procrastination. Let me pick that side again. The number 5th step is use time management techniques. How do you use time management techniques? This techniques involves working for a set period of time followed by a short break. So when you are doing a certain work and you see yourself that you are stressed off, or you are being exhausted of energy, what you need to do is stop the work and go for a little break. If you smoke, you can just go cigarette break, or you can just get some coffee break. Just take some rest, then you come back to the work, or you come back to the activity again. This will also help you avoid procrastination. Now let's go to the number 6th step. The number 6th step is find your most productive time. Find your most productive time. How do we find our most productive time? Identify the time of day when you are most alert and focused, and schedule your most important tasks during that time. This can help you make the most of your productive hours and reduce procrastination. Yes. So within the day, you need to identify the time is comfortable for you to accomplish or for you to take on a specific assignment. You understand? So you have to schedule time for all those productive works, so that you know that this is the time I have to go to work and I need to avoid this thing and that, so that it will help you become productive and you stay off from procrastination. So let's move to the 7th step, discipline practice, or you need to practice self-discipline. That is the 7th step. Practice self-discipline. Develop self-discipline by holding yourself accountable for your actions. Maybe you plan to go to school, or you decided to go to work, but you refuse to go. You need to blame your own self for that. Blame your own self for not achieving or not being able to accomplish that task during the day. You understand? You need to hold yourself accountable for petty actions you couldn't done, or the goals you set and you couldn't accomplish. You need to hold yourself accountable. That is the number 7 step. The 8th steps is reward yourself. Reward yourself. Create a system of reward for completing tasks and meeting deadlines. This can provide motivation and reinforcement for better behavior, making it less likely for you to procrastinate. So you need to clap for yourself when you are able to accomplish a specific goal. You need to cheer yourself up. You need to reward yourself by saying good things to your own self. Thank God I've been able to do this particular work. Actually, it was very stressful, but I was able to put in that effort to achieve it. You need to motivate yourself with those kind of words. Now let's go to the number 9 step. Step is seek support and accountability. Seek support and accountability. You need to tell your friends, share your goals and your program or with other friends. You understand? Tell them this is what you want to do, and let them know that when you are unable to do it, they should hold you accountable for that particular thing you couldn't done. Tell them to hold you accountable. Let them put some ginger or some pepper into your eyes when you are unable to accomplish such particular goals, or that the task you set, if you're unable to do it, let them put you some canes or let them whip you. You understand? That will help you avoid procrastination. So the 10th step, that is the last one, is reflect on the reasons for procrastination. Yes, reflect on the reasons for procrastination. The reasons you need to reflect. Take some time to reflect on why you may be procrastinating. It is due to fear of failure, lack of interest, or feeling overwhelmed. Understanding the root cause of procrastinating, the root cause why you keep on procrastinating, you have to know it and understand yourself why all these things is happening. It's better to know all those things so that you take the necessary measures to minimize it or to avoid it. You understand? That is the number 10 step. You need to know the root cause, what is actually causing me. Is it the lack of interest you have on that particular thing, or what is the cause? Is it because of stress, or because you feel overwhelmed. You feel overwhelmed of that particular work. You need to ask yourself all those questions and understand why all those things is happening. So this is the 10 steps we need to follow to overcome procrastination. So thank you for watching me, and I hope you find it